Hi everybody, my name is Robertson Fu. I'll be doing a presentation on the following topic. Firstly, I will describe the similarities and differences between the Windows operating system and the Linux operating system, and then I will explain why I would prefer to use one over the other in a business perspective, and then I will also compare at least two storage solutions in an enterprise network. So I will dive straight into the differences between the Windows operating system and the Linux operating system. The first difference is the root directory. The root directory represented by the drive letter is in the Windows operating system is /y. That in the Linux operating system is /. The next difference is that the path separator in Windows operating system is /y. That in Linux operating system is Windows operating system is file the case sensitive nature. In Windows operating system it is case insensitive, while in Linux operating system it is case sensitive. And then a Windows operating system uses access control lists, often configured via the graphic user interface, while the Linux operating system uses write and execute permission by its users. Okay, that being said, I'll move now to the similarities between the Windows operating system and the Linux operating system. The hierarchical structure between the Windows operating system uses a hierarchical file system, which is like a tree-like format. Then the next similarity is that the root directory, both systems have a root directory as a starting point of the file system in both Windows and Linux. Though in Windows it uses a /y, in Linux it uses a /. Then the file types, the file permission in both operating system implement file permission, though they are managed differently. And then mounting devices, both systems allow devices and drive to be mounted and accessed within the file system. Okay, now the next part of the question is in a business perspective, which will I recommend? For me, I will recommend Windows, and the reason why I should recommend Windows is that Windows are first, they are user friendly. It is easier for employee to understand and use the Windows operating system than the Linux operating system. Then the next aspect is the software capabilities. The software capabilities the Windows operating system have a broad range of software commonly used in business environments such as AutoCAD and enterprise resource planning tool. Then also the Windows operating system is supported by many vendors. Microsoft, which provide a wide range of customer support, and it does regular updates and enterprise solutions to many companies or to many business organizations. And then also Microsoft has an integration. The Windows operating system has an integration legacy system, which many business have legacy system that they can run it on Windows, making it easier for business continuity. Then also it is easier to be developed than the Windows operating system. Okay, that being said, I will also try to compare two storage solution in an enterprise network. So the two storage system that I choose is network attached storage, which is also referred to as NAS, and also storage area network, which is also referred to as SAN. Okay, the file level storage system, the NAS is a file level storage system that provides shared access to data over a standard network, while SAN block level storage system that connects storage devices to servers over a dedicated network. Okay, the next thing to talk about the differences is that the protocol use NAS uses file sharing protocol, while SAN uses block level protocol. Okay, the cost, NAS is less cost effective. Is more cost effective using existing network infrastructure, while SAN is has a complex setup management, which require a specialized expertise. And then also the data access in NAS is data access in NAS allow users to access file directly, while the data access in the SAN, it provide block level access. Okay, also understanding the differences between the two storage network, it enables an organization or a business or to choose the best that meet their goals and their budget. Okay, and then the last aspect is from a Christian perspective. Now I'm required to identify ethical consideration using ethical consideration of utilizing storage devices in an information technology system when cost consideration are prevalent. I'll also explain the role of ethics, ethics would play in decision making process. As Christians, it is always most employers always look up to Christians because they know they are positive. They know they can manage a wide range of things, including financial resources, including storage resources. So the Christians are also required to go in for the cheapest and the most effective. They are also required to be honest and show integrity and transparency in all what they do. So in as much as they have several things that they are supposed to do, they need to be honest in their job, and they also need to keep the integrity of their business. They also need to be fair in everything they do when it comes to the business. Now they also need to balance cost and quality, in as much as a company or the organization spend money to do one or two aspects. As Christian, you need to analyze that and make sure the company or the organization have what best meet it need based on the financial resources available. Then accountability. It is also advisable that as Christians, you should be accountable to stakeholders, ensuring that financial and operational choices align with the organization mission and ethical standard of the organization. Then also as Christians in the company, we should be committed to excellence so that the company can meet its goals. So considering the ethical value of employee, people should work together to meet best practices that will favor the organizational goals and need. Thank you.